Bebird Note 5 Robotic Arm Visual Earwax Removal Tutorial Video. Scan QR code to install Bebird app. Open the cover to turn on. Green light blinks during connection. Green light is always on when connection is complete. Open the app and connect the device with. Select Bebird Note 5X. When the connection is complete, return to the app and click to start ear cleaning. Get an ultra-clear visual presentation of the ear canal via the app. The hand squeezes the body ring button to control the opening and closing of the tweezers to clip out the earwax. Squeeze the ring button to control the tweezers to close. Release the ring button to open the tweezers. Left and right ear mode switching to avoid misdirection when using. Ear tip installation replacement. When the tweezers are closed, align the ear tip cover with the head of the tweezers and tighten it to prevent the ear tip cover from falling off. Protective earbud installation can be moved up and down to protect the lens too deep to avoid accidental injury to the ear canal. 25 degrees Celsius lens, comfortable temperature. Waterproof lens, no fear of challenges. Usage posture, hold the product with your fingers, adjust the position, turn the product and clean the earwax. A variety of ear tip cover can be used separately. Red light when charging, light off when fully charged, green light flashing fast when no power. Product exceptions and solutions. When app is connected, it shows not connected. Solution: uninstall the app and reinstall it. Check if the correct version model has been selected, and make sure the app is downloaded correctly. Unable to connect to Wi-Fi. Solution: there are other mobile devices around connected to this Wi-Fi. Turn off the device and restart to connect. Black screen, blurred screen. Solution: uninstall the app and reinstall it and try again. Blurred after a period of use. Solution: use a small cotton swab to clean the lens. Unable to charge. Solution: replace the charging cable and try to see if it can be charged normally. Bebird Note 5 Robotic Arm Visual Earwax Removal. Addictive visual clarity is of use.